Today is not an ordinary day. Today I don't need to be on time. Today I won't hear the sound of laughter or a school bus going by. Life going on. Today is not an ordinary day. Today is a day to stay in bed. I won't bother with the TV, 'cause the only thing I'll see is a map with a count of those who are gone. But this too shall pass, they say. This too shall pass, they say. Just not today. Today is not an ordinary day. I don't usually cry this much. Today I see boxes filled with food and medication piling up, and these vitamins they recommend. Today is not an ordinary day. Today everyone is leaving town. People are in masks, it's like some science fiction movie, but it's real, and we don't know how it will end. But this too shall pass, they say. This too shall pass, they say. Just not today. One day you are flying high. One day you can see it all. But one day it can disappear. One day you can fall. Today is not an ordinary day. Today I have nowhere to be. Today is how I know I'll feel tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after